Ever wondered why people say fish is brain food? Let's find out! Eating fish is one of the smartest things you can do for your body. It helps your brain, improves memory, and can even lower your risk of feeling down. Fish is also great for your heart and helps fight inflammation. Plus, it's packed with lean protein, perfect for muscle and energy. The healthy fats in fish, they're awesome for your skin and joints too. Top picks are salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. Try eating fish 2 to 3 times a week for a stronger, sharper, healthier you.